In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide Google Slides into 3 sections. We'll start right inside Google Slides. Open it in your browser and sign in if you're not already. On the homepage, you'll see your files. To quickly find the presentation you want to work on, click Recent Presentations. This view helps you jump into the deck you touched most recently without digging through folders. Once you spot the right file, click it to open the slide you want to format. With the slide open, head to the toolbar and choose Layout. From the list of built-in options, pick Title and 2 columns. This gives you a clean title area at the top and 2 content placeholders beneath it. Using a predefined layout is helpful because it keeps spacing consistent and makes your columns responsive to theme changes. Next, select both column placeholders so you can adjust them together. You can do this by clicking one, then holding Shift and clicking the other, or by dragging a selection box around both. Selecting them as a pair keeps everything aligned while you make changes. Once they're both selected, resize the columns to make room for a third one. Grab the side handles and drag inward to narrow each column slightly, maintaining some generous space between them. Watch for the smart guides that appear. They help you keep margins clean and spacing even. If you need precision, zoom in a bit so small movements are easier to control. Now click just the second column to select it and duplicate it. You can use your preferred method to duplicate. For many people, that's a quick keyboard shortcut. You should now see a copy of that column on top of the original. To place the new column, hold the Control key and drag the duplicate to the right until it snaps into position, creating a third, evenly spaced column. Those magenta alignment guides will help you match the top and bottom edges and maintain equal gaps. If you're on a different operating system, use the equivalent modifier key. Nudge with your arrow keys for fine-tuning and take a moment to confirm the title area still has enough breathing room. That's it. You've divided your slide into 3 clean sections using a standard layout, a quick resize, a duplicate, and a precise drag. Add your text or images into each column and adjust spacing as your content evolves. Thanks for watching and enjoy building polished 3-column slides with confidence.